Okay, in this video, I want to share to you about how to make a high-rise building in Sketchup with the city environment. Okay, let's begin the tutorial. First of all, we have to make the basic shape with using rotate rectangle or rectangle. We can use the rotate rectangle first for making the basic shape. We can click from this origin and we can drag to the another side around 50 meter and enter. Then we can set the depth of this building around 40 meter. Okay, so we can make the another variation of this building. We can use the tab measure tool and click from this edge until this edge, and also click from this edge until this edge, and we can make the another variation in here and make the variation in here. Okay, then now we can make the line and click from this section, click in this position and click this position, and we can make the reverse of this line. We can click for this position. Okay, and then we can make the erase. We can erase for extra line in here, and also we can erase for the extra line in here. Okay, then we can also make the additional floor in here with using line. Click from this position, 4 meter from here, and this position, and we got this. And also this one, we can click from this position, click this extra floor in here. Okay, then we can make the basic floor plan in here for high-rise building itself. Then we can click this plane and push it up around 1 meter and enter. Then we can triple click, make component, create. Okay, then we can select move, tab control and place to this position. Then we can move it up around 4 meter. So this is about the floor to ceiling approximately. Okay, then we can select move, tab control, click from this position until this position. Then we can type x 50. Okay, so we can decide that this is about podium area, this is the lobby area, and this is the typical floor with rooftop in here, and we can get this tower like this. Okay, then now we can make the core building inside in here. We can make the proportion core building only approximately like this, and we can click this point, or maybe we can divide it with the two part. Okay, we can divide it with the two part, and we can make the lift in here. We can make the lift lobby in here, and we can make the lift lobby in here. Okay, approximately like this. So this is the core building for the basic floor plate. This is the lift lobby, and this is the lift lobby, and this is for the core building inside. Okay, then we can click this one and select push and place to this position until the drop off. So okay, so this is the lobby lift, and this is for the reception, and this is for the another entrance. This is for the lobby lift, and this is for the reception. Okay, and we can click this one and move it up around, we can push it up around 6 meter. Okay, and for especially for this top floor, we can close this one, and for this top floor we can close this one. Okay, then we can triple click and make group. And okay, now we can make the glazing area. We can click and make unique, and we can set it inside around, okay, we can offset it inside around 500 millimeter. Okay, then we can click this one and select edit, copy. Okay, then edit, paste in place, and move. We can push it until the ground floor like this, and we can triple click, make group. Okay, we can triple click and erase this plane and erase this plane. Then we can select all. We can click this surface. Okay, then we can click this line and select a move, tab control and place to this position. Then we can type 15 slash and enter, and also this one, and select a move. Okay, place for this position. Then we can type 28 slash and enter. Okay, and also this one, select, click this line and select move, tap control and place to this position. Then we can type 15 slash and enter. Okay, so you can do it by yourself. Okay, then we can type 17 slash enter, and also this one. Okay, select move, tap control, place to this position. Then we can type 10 slash and enter. And this one, again select move, tap control and place to this position. Then we can type 27 slash and enter. And also this one, make move, tap control and we can type 17 slash and enter. Okay, this one, then we can type 10 slash and enter. Okay, we can see about the result of this high-rise building with the look like this. And okay, we can continue to make the another variation. Okay, we can make the rectangle here. Okay, we can make the rectangle here. Then we can make the curve line in here with using the protector. Click from this position until this position. Then we can type 80 degree, enter. And also from this position, click for the edge and click for this edge, and we can type 80 degree and enter. I'm sorry. Okay, we can click this protector, click this position, click this edge, and we can type 20 and enter. Or maybe it's that's not enough, then we can click this edge. Okay, we can click for this position, we can type 10 and enter. Okay, so we can click this line and click for this intersection and click for this intersection. Then we can click this 2-point arc, click for this position. You can triple click in here, and okay, then we can click this line, click this intersection and click for this intersection also. Then we can select a 2-point arc and click for this position, click for this position. Okay, then we can click this curve and offset it inside. Okay, approximately like this, around 3 meter. And also this one, offset it inside around 3 meter. Sorry. Okay, then we can erase for the extra line in here. Okay, we can erase for the extra line and erase for every single guideline. Then we can push it to the front, like this. Triple click, make group. Okay, and it's done. So we can get the result of this building. So you can make the lobby area in here. You can improve by your creativity. Okay, then we can make the another environment. Okay, we can triple click. Okay, and we can offset it outside like this. Then we can offset it outside again to make the environment. Okay, we can make the curve in here and make the curve in here. So we can make the another environment. Okay, we can assume that this is asphalt in here, and this is for the concrete area, and this is for the concrete area also. And okay, we can triple click and make group. Okay, so we can make the another tower in here to make the variation only, to make the vibes of the city. And we can make the another tower in here. Okay, we can make the blocking. We can make the blocking in here. Okay, so we can adjust it, and we can adjust this one. Okay, to maximize the vibe of the city skyline of this high-rise building anyway. Okay, so we can assign with the green glass material, and we can assign for the variation of this. We can make the landscaping in here. And for any place you can, or any place as proportional or as possible about the landscaping area over there. Okay, we can move, duplicate, and okay, you can make it perfect. This is just basic, so you can make it perfect more. We can activate the shadow, and we can also activate the background like this, and also we can assign the shadow. Okay, or we can select all. We can rotate to maximize the sunlight, for example, like this. Okay. We have to try it by one. Okay, approximately just like this. Okay, we can also change the color of this another high-rise building with using gray color over there. Okay, just like this. Or maybe we can also change the color with using the gray, with using the glass gray. But we have to make it all group. Okay, approximately just like this. And we can also change the gray color to be like this to make it more clear enough for the city skyline. Okay, thanks for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you.